I'm Superintendent Othneil Dobson, the commanding officer for the Westmoreland Division, and I have along with me my crime officer, Mr. Dale Reed, and my intelligence officer, Mr. Omar Collins. The Westmoreland Police has embarked on a series of operations, but which we have dubbed Operation Reassurance. This is meant to reassure the citizens in Westmoreland that the police is here to support you. The police is here to create and maintain an environment with low crime figures. The division has so far seen reductions in murders and shootings in comparison to last year. Matter of fact, most of our major crimes are down. We continue to work hard to ensure that the division is safe, and this operation is meant to capture wanted men, violence producers, and other producers of crime, also persons of interest who continue to plague the communities in Westmoreland. We urge and ask the citizens in Westmoreland to continue to support us, to provide us with information that will assist in making your communities a safer place for you all. The operations will continue, and we see it as a way of managing crime, which will help us throughout the Yuletide season and as a testing ground for major operations in 2025.
And it will be an all-day event?
The event will be a full-day event, and we will, over time, do additional operations of a similar sort to try to ensure that we control the crime and criminals within the Westmoreland Division.
Okay. And could you refresh me as to the supporting team as a transport authority?
So we have several supporting elements within our deployment. Our deployment currently boasts 124 police, military, transport authority, and other elements such as the ERA team, our fugitive apprehension teams, as also our highway patrols, specialized operations. So all of these teams have come together to work to ensure that the division is a safer place, and it will be a continuous operation, but it will be done in intervals.
And would you care to say some of the areas that you may visit today?
Major areas of concern in the Westmoreland Division continues to be the Morgan's Bridge, the Froome Police Area, the Wheaton Police Area, Savlamar, Negril. So those are our major areas of concentration. Those are the areas that continue to be the major or the most significant contributors to crime within the division.